When someone reads that I'm a subject matter expert witness on internet defamation, and they are not an attorney or the victim, their first question is usually, what is internet defamation? Defamation is defined as an unprivileged, false statement of fact, which tends to harm the reputation of a person or company. Defamation results from a published statement. Traditional defamation claims came from newspaper articles and through conversation. Today, the vast majority of defamation cases result from digital communication on the internet. Regretfully, people are realizing that the internet allows anyone to speak their mind, manipulate the facts, or even spread lies. The emergence of social media, video communication, and review websites creates a new era of internet defamation dangers and issues. Cyberattacks and negative content online can have catastrophic consequences for both individuals and businesses. When harmful and unwanted content is posted anonymously, perpetrators must be identified immediately to control the reputational damage. If you or someone you know has had their reputation harmed because of information on the internet, you now have options. As trusted internet defamation experts, we are here to help you, your family, your friends, and your company restore trust and reestablish your reputation.